Hello everyone, today we will learn IMO International Mathematics Olympaid of class 6 chapter 2 whole numbers. First one, the number 144 can be represented by 12 cross 12 square grid. So 144 is the square number of 12. So 12 cross 12 square grid. Which of the following can also be represented on a square grid? Here given 39, 50 and 70 and 81. In these numbers we have to check which number forms this square grid. So 39 means 3 13s, 50 means 5 10s, 70 means 7 10s and 89 means 9 cross 9. So 9 cross 9 is the correct option. It forms the square grid. So option D is the correct one. Second one, the property satisfied by the division of whole numbers is A. Closure property, B. Commutative property, C. Associative property, D. None of these. We have to check all these properties. A. Closure property means let take out any two numbers belongs to whole numbers, their division also be a whole number. Let take out any two numbers 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to whole numbers. Their division 1 divided by 2, but it does not belongs to, which is equal to 0.5. 0.5 is not the whole number. It does not belongs to whole number. So closure property does not satisfy. And B. Commutative property. Commutative property means any two numbers A plus A divided B equal to B divided by A, that is 1 divided by 2 equal to 2 divided by 1, both are not equal. So commutative also does not satisfy. And third one, associative. Take out any three digits 1, 2, 3, their division must be whole number, but here 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 which is does not equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. So associative property does not satisfy. So none of these is the correct option. Third question, 25 cross 22 cross 25 equal to 25 cross 22 cross 25 is an example of dash property. A. Commutative, B. Associative, C. Closure, D. Distributive. Here it is in the form of A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C, which is associative. It satisfies associative law under multiplication. So option B is the correct one. Fourth question, closure property is satisfied in whole numbers with respect to dash and dash. A. Addition and subtraction, B. Addition and division, C. Addition and multiplication, D. Multiplication and division. Closure property, it satisfies only under addition and multiplication only. Subtraction it does not satisfy. Why? Because A minus B does not be. Let us take out 1, 2. There is subtraction 1 minus 2, each is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is not belongs to whole number. So closure property does not satisfy under subtraction. And division 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.5. 0.5 does not belongs to whole number. So under division also it does not satisfy. It satisfies only addition and multiplication. Fifth question, which of the following statement is not true? A. Every whole number has a successor. Every whole number has a predecessor. 0 is the least whole number. And D. Every natural number is a whole number. B is the correct option. Every whole number has a successor and every whole number has a predecessor. Here the statement which is not true. Here whole number, take out any number which have successor. 1 we have taken, 2, 1 has 2 is the successor of 1 and every whole number does not have a predecessor. Here the number starting from 0, so we does not write any predecessor of 0, so every whole number has a predecessor is the correct option. Sixth one, every natural number is the successor of dash number. Every natural number is the successor of whole number. Take out 1, the successor of 1 is 2, 2 belongs to whole number, so whole number is the correct option. If A and B are two whole numbers, then commutative law is applicable on subtraction if and only if. Take out 2, A comma B belongs to whole numbers. Then commutative law. The commutative law under subtraction. Commutative law under subtraction is A minus B equal to B minus A. But here if and only if, when A equal to B, here A equal to B, then only commutative law satisfies. So if and only if A equal to B. If A equal to B, then only this law will satisfy. So option A is the correct one. Eighth one, which property states that the sum of any two whole numbers is always a whole number? A commutative, B closure, C associative, D additive. Here closure property only satisfies. A comma B belongs to whole number, then A plus B belongs to a whole number. So B closure property is the correct option. The sum of two whole numbers is always be a whole number. Ninth one, compare and fill the box. 795 cross 999 plus 795. We have to check. 887 into 10 into 461 minus 361 into 880. 8870. First take out 795 into 999 plus 795. Now I am writing this as 795 into 999 plus 795 into 1. Here 795 is the common. I am taking 795 as common. 795 into 999 plus 1. Now I am taking RHS, which is equal to 795 into, which is 1000, which is equal to 795,000. 7,95,000 is the RHS. Now LHS. Now RHS. $887 into 10 into 461 minus 361 into 8,870. RHS. 887 into 10, which is 8,870 into 461 minus 361 into 8870. Now I am taking 8870 as common. 8870 taking common into 461 minus 361, which is equal to 8870 into 460 minus 461 minus 361 is 100. So which is 8,87,000. LHS we get 7,95,000 and RHS 8,87,000. So LHS is less than RHS. Now put the symbol less than. Option B is the correct one. 10th one. Which of the following is not true? A. 7 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 7 plus 8 plus 9. 8 cross B. 7 cross 8 cross 9 equal to 7 cross 8 cross 9. C. 7 divided by 8 cross 9 equal to 7 plus 8 cross 7 plus 9. 7 cross 8 plus 9 equal to 7 cross 8 plus 7 cross 9. We have to check which condition is not true. Here A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is true. And A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C. This is also true. And 7 divided 7 plus 8 cross 9 equal to 7 plus 8 cross 7 cross 9. This is the wrong statement. 7 plus 8 cross 9 is 72. So 7 plus 8 nines are equal to 7 plus 8 cross 7 plus 9. Here 7 plus 8 nines are 72, which is 79, and here 7 plus 8 is 15 and 7 9. This is 79 and 15 16s are, which is 240. Both are not equal. So option C is the correct option. It does not satisfy any loss. 11th one. What does the given number line represent? Here 0, 2 numbers skip. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 cross 4 is the correct option. 12th one. Which of the following operations satisfies the associative law for whole numbers? A. Subtraction and division. B. Subtraction and multiplication. C. Division and multiplication. D. Addition and multiplication. Here associative law satisfies only addition and multiplication. Subtraction and division does not satisfy. So option D is the correct one. 13th one. The whole number which does not have a predecessor. Here 9 is the whole number which is having predecessor. The predecessor of 9 is 8. And 1 is the whole number. 1 is having the predecessor 0. Here 0 is the whole number, but it does not have any predecessor. So option C is the correct one. D does not have any predecessor in whole numbers. 14th one. Additive identity of whole numbers is. Additive identity means A plus 0 equal to A. 0 should be added to any number means the number itself only will come. So the 0 is the additive identity of that number. Here 0 is the additive identity of whole numbers. Additive identity of whole numbers is 0. Option B is the correct one. 15th problem, if A equal to 35, B equal to 11 and C equal to 23, then find A cross C minus B. So, A cross C minus B. Here, A 35 is given, 35 cross C 23 minus B 11. Here, 35 cross 23 minus 11, which is 12. So, 35 into 12 is 420. So, option D is the correct one. 16th problem. When we multiply a whole number and the multiplicative identity of whole numbers, then we get, here 1 is the multiplicative identity of whole numbers. So, when we multiply a whole number, take out any number. 5 I am taking, 5 belongs to whole number. So, we multiplied with multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity of whole number. So, 5 into 1. Then what we get? Again we get 5 only. The number itself. Only its came. So, the number itself is the correct option. 17th one. Which of the following statements is not true? A 0 plus 0 equal to 0. This is the correct one. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. This is also correct one. 0 cross 0, which is equal to 0. This also correct one. Any number into 0 is 0. And 0 divided by 0 equal to 0. This statement is not true. So, this is the correct option. Why? Because any number divided by 0 is undefined. So, this is the correct option. 18th question. When a non-zero whole number is divided by itself, the quotient is. When a non-zero number is divided by itself. Let's take out any number. 25 is the non-zero number. 25 divided by itself. Itself means the same number 25. We will get the quotient is 1. So, option B is the correct one. Any number divided by itself, then the coefficient is 1. 19th one. By using dot patterns, which of the following numbers can be arranged in all the three ways, namely a line, a triangle and a rectangle? We know that the number 10 can be shown as, we know that every number can be arranged in a line. So, the number 10 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the line. And second one, triangle. Also the number 10 can be written as a triangle. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, we can form a triangle from the 10 numbers. Using these 10 dots, we can form a triangle. And next one, we have to form a rectangle of these 10 numbers, 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 2 rows and 5 columns. It also forms a rectangle. So option B is the correct one. 28th question. Which of the following will not represents the whole number? One plus 0 equal to 1. It is a whole number. 1 plus 0 equal to 1 belongs to whole number. And B, 0 cross 0 equal to 0, which is also a whole number. And C, 1 by 2 minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 0. It is not defined. And next one, D, 0 by 2, which is equal to 0, belongs to whole number. Here what the question is, which of the following will not represents the whole numbers? So option C is the correct one. 1 by 0, which is not defined, it does not belongs to the whole number. 21. A vendor supplies 105 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 85 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs 20 rupees per liter, then how much money is due to the vendor per day? Here what the question is, a vendor is supplying milk in the morning and evening. Morning 105 liters and evening 85 liters, and the cost of 1 liter milk is 20 rupees. We have to find how much money did he earn per day. So first we have to find how much liters of milk did he supply for a day. So quantity of milk a vendor supplies in the morning and evening, which is equal to morning 105 liters and evening 85 liters. So per day he will supply total 190 liters of milk. Per day he is supplying 190 liters, but the cost of 1 liter milk is 20 rupees. So we have to find the total cost of 190 liters of milk. Cost of 1 liter milk equal to 20. So cost of 190 liters milk equal to 190 into 20, which is equal to 0s, 2 19s are 38. So the cost of 190 liters of milk is 3,800 rupees. So option D is the correct one. Per day. 22nd question. Mohit got 85 marks in maths, 75 marks in English, 84 marks in science, and Kapil got 82 marks in mathematics, 84 marks in English, and 88 marks in science. What are their total marks? Yeah. Mohit got and Kapil got. Here Mohit, how much he got? Maths, he got 85 in maths, English 84, and science, which is maths 85, 75 English, and science 84. Here Kapil 82 in maths, and 84 in English and 88 in science. Now I am finding the total. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1, 8 plus 7 15, 1 16, 16 after 8 24, 244 marks. And Kapil, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 1, 8 3s are 24, 1 25. So 254 marks. So total marks scored obtained by both of them, which is 244 plus 254. By both of them. 244 plus 254, which is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 5 9 and 2 plus 2 4. So both of them get 498 marks. So option C is the correct one. 23rd question. A gardener has 389 saplings to be planted in 16 rows. How many saplings will he not able to plant if he accommodate only 24 saplings in each of 64 rows? Here total number of saplings is 389. In each row he planted only 24 saplings, total 16 rows. So number of saplings he can plant. Number of he can plant equal to 24 saplings in 16 rows, which is 384. Only 384 saplings only he planted, but the total number of saplings be 389. Number of saplings he cannot plant, which is 389 is total saplings minus 384 plants only he planted. So only 5 plants left. 5 plants only he did not planted. So option B is the correct one. 24th question. There are 222 red balls in a basket. A boy takes out 6 red balls from it. Total 222 red balls. He is taking 6 red balls from that 222 balls and replaces them by 12 white balls. Instead of 6 red balls, he is replacing with 12 white balls. He continues to do. Always he is continuing his process. So till all the red balls are replaced by white balls. So total all the red balls will replaced by white balls. He is continuing this process. All the red balls will be replaced by white balls. Then the total number of white balls put in the basket is. How many white balls he kept in the basket is the question. There are only 222 red balls. In that red balls he is taking every time 6 balls. Instead of 6 balls he is replacing with 12 white balls. The process is always continuing until the red balls becomes white balls. The question is how many white balls he put in the basket. Let n be the number of steps. Here how many steps we don't know. So I am taking n be the number of steps. So according to the question 222 red balls he is taking 6 red balls and keeping instead of 6 balls he is keeping 12 white balls. So 222 minus 6 in n number of times. So 222 minus 6n equal to 0. So 6n equal to 222. n equal to 222 by 6, which is equal to 37. So number of white balls added in one step. In each step he is replacing 6 balls. Instead of 6 balls he is replacing 12 white balls. So number of white balls added in one step. In every step, instead of red 6 balls he is replacing with 12 white balls. So number of white balls added in 37 steps. Total 37 steps. In that 37 steps, how many white balls he kept? In each step he kept 12. So total 37 steps, 37 into 12, which is equal to 444. So the total number of white balls is 444. Option B is the correct one. 25th question. 50 chairs and 15 blackboards were purchased for a school. If each chair costs 115 rupees and a blackboard costs 345, then find the total amount of the bill. The cost of one chair is 115 rupees and the cost of one blackboard is 345. He purchased 50 chairs and 15 blackboards. So total cost of 50 chairs equal to 50 into cost of one chair is 115 rupees. So we will get rupees 5750. The cost of 50 chairs is 5750. Now the cost of 15 blackboards. Cost of 15 blackboards equal to 15 into each blackboard cost 345. Now we will multiply, we will get rupees 5175. So total amount of the bill is equal to rupees 5750 plus rupees 5175, which is equal to 5750 plus 5175, 5, 12, 1, 9, 10, which is equal to 10,925 rupees. Option A is the correct one. 26th question. If A, B, C are whole numbers, then match the following. A plus B equal to B plus A. This is the commutative law under addition. Option B is the correct one. This is 1. And A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is the associative law under addition. This is 2.
So option C is correct one. A cross B plus C equal to A cross B plus A cross C. This is distributive law under multiplication. So A is the correct one. So 3. So 1 goes to B and 2 goes to C and 3 goes to A. Option D is the correct one. 27th question. State T for true and F for false. If a whole number is divided by another whole number which is greater than the first one, then the quotient is not equal to 0. This is the true. Example, take out 3, 4 belongs to whole numbers. So 3 divided by 4. The quotient is 1 which is not equal to 0. So this is true. And second one, the sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. Let us take out any two whole numbers 0, 1. Take out 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1 means 0 plus 1 equal to 1 and 0 cross 1 equal to 0. So here 1 is greater than 0. So it is the false statement. Sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. So this is here sum of the numbers is 1 and product of the numbers is 0. Here sum of the numbers greater than the product of the numbers, but here less than given. So the statement is false. Whole numbers are not closed under multiplication. Here this statement is false because whole numbers is closed under multiplication. Closed means closure property. Closure property means A comma B belongs to whole numbers means their product. 3, 4 belongs to whole numbers. 3 4s are 12. 12 is also a whole number. So here not closed given. So the statement is false. So true, false, false. True, false, false. Option B is the correct. 28th one. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. Additive identity does not exist in natural numbers. Additive identity does not exist in natural numbers. This is the statement 1 is true. Why? Because additive identity is 0. 0 does not belongs to natural numbers. Here 0 is the additive identity. So here 0 does not belongs to n. So the condition, the statement 1 is given as true. The first statement is true. Additive identity does not exist in natural numbers. True. And Sandeep distributes 4 boxes of sweets. If each box comprises 6 chocolates and 10 candies, then there are 64 sweets in 4 boxes. Here Sandeep distributes 4 boxes of sweets. In each box contains 6 chocolates and 10 candies. That means total 16. Then there are 64 sweets in 4 boxes. The statement this also true. So both the statements are true. Option A is the correct one. 29th one. Match the following. Column 1. The smallest whole number is 0. So this is 1. The natural number that does not has no predecessor is, the natural numbers are starting from 1. So 1 does not have any predecessor. So this is the 2. When 2 is added 3 times to the smallest whole number, which gives, 2 is added 3 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2, which gives 6. So this is the correct one, 3. So Q R P, Q R P, option D is the correct one. 30th question, fill in the blanks. The product of any two whole numbers is a dash number. Let's take out any two numbers. 1, 2 belongs to whole numbers. So their product 1 cross 2 equal to 2, which is belongs to whole number. So the product of whole numbers is a whole number. The product of any two whole numbers is a whole number. If A and B are any two whole numbers and B less than A, then A minus B is a dash number. Let's take out 1, 0 belongs to whole numbers and B less than A. Here 0 less than 1. So the condition is A minus B. A minus B means 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 is also a whole number. So A and B are any two whole numbers and B less than A, then A minus B is a whole number. The product of a whole number and a 0 is 0. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. The product of a whole number and 1 is the number itself. Any number multiplied with the 1 is, the number itself will come. The number itself. So whole 0, the number itself. Whole 0, the number itself. Option C is the correct one. Thank you.